Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webflow for beginners. Webflow is an incredibly powerful no-code platform that empowers you to build professional, custom websites without writing a single line of code. It seamlessly integrates design, animation, and content management into one intuitive visual canvas. You gain precise control over your site's HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, allowing for truly unique and responsive designs. It's perfect for bringing your creative visions to life. Let's dive into the Webflow Designer, your primary workspace. On the left, you'll find panels for adding elements, managing assets like images, and configuring your site's pages. The right panel is where you'll apply styles, adjust element settings, and fine-tune every detail. Simply drag and drop elements onto your canvas to begin constructing your layout. It's a highly visual and interactive way to build. Building effective layouts is crucial, and Webflow offers robust tools like Flexbox and Grid for creating responsive designs that adapt beautifully to any screen size. To maintain consistency and efficiency, you can create reusable symbols for elements like navigation bars or footers. The Navigator panel provides a clear overview of your site's structure, while classes allow you to apply styles across multiple elements with ease. Once your design is complete, publishing your Webflow site is straightforward. You can connect your own custom domain or utilize Webflow's free subdomain for hosting. The platform also provides built-in tools to optimize your site for search engines, helping more people discover your content. Integrating with third-party services is simple, and updating your site is a breeze, ensuring your online presence remains fresh and engaging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.